Hello everyone, this is YAYA Mandarin. Welcome to my Hanyu Pinyin course. Lesson 7. First, let's see what we are going to learn in this video today. In the previous lesson, we learned 4 compound vowels. Let's do a quick review now. Yao, yo, y, wei. And when these 4 compound vowels stand for syllables by themselves, they will be written like this, changing E into Y and changing U into W respectively. Let's read them together. Yao, yo, y, wei. And we also learned that you and wei are written as yo and wei after an initial consonant. In this lesson, we will introduce front nasal simple or compound vowels. Before learning these vowels, let us first review how the nasal sound n is made. N is a front nasal. This sound is the same as the first sound in nation. It's also very special, as it cannot go with an initial consonant directly. It has to go with finals together to make a compound vowel. Please read after me. N, n, n. And if you remember, we learned this sound as an initial consonant in our previous lesson. The sound is almost the same whenever it's at the beginning of a syllable or at the end. Today's first vowel, an. You need to produce the a sound followed by the nasal n. This sound is similar to the second sound in hand. Please read after me. An, an, an. Second vowel, n. You need to produce the first sound followed by the nasal n. This sound is similar to the n sound in hen. Please read after me. N, n, n. The third one, yin. First, we need to produce the Chinese simple vowel e, followed by pronouncing nasal n. This sound is similar to the first sound in engage. Please read after me. Yin, yin, yin. The fourth one, yun. This sound is made by producing the Chinese simple vowel yu, followed by the nasal n. Please read after me. Yun, yun, yun. The fifth one, yan. First, you need to produce the Chinese simple vowel e and followed by an. Please read after me. Yan, yan, yan. Next one, wan. First, produce the Chinese simple vowel u and then followed by an. Please read after me. One, one, one. Next one, yuan. First, produce the Chinese simple vowel yu and followed by An. Please read after me. Yuan, yuan, yuan. The last one. Wen. This sound is produced by pronouncing the Chinese simple vowel u and followed by n. Please read after me. Wen, wen, wen. Okay, now let's read these 8 vowels together. An, en, yin, yun, yan, wan, yuan, wen。你学会了吗？ Now I would like to introduce some spelling rules for you before we start to practice these 8 compound vowels in different tones. When in itself is a syllable, we will add y before e. So in is written as yin. When yun and yuan are syllables by themselves, we will add y before yu and remove the 2 dots from yu. So yun is written as yun, yuan is written as yuan. When wan and wen are syllables by themselves, we will change u into w. So wan is written as wan, wen is written as wen. When wen goes with an initial consonant, it's written as un, wen. For example, the English word swallow in Chinese is tun. It's written as tun, tun, instead of tuen. We will drop the e. 你学会了吗？ In this lesson, we will also learn how to pronounce the 3rd tone correctly. Rule number 1. When 2 3rd tone syllables appear together, the first syllable changes to the 2nd tone. For example, we all know that hello in Chinese is 你好. If you notice that these 2 syllables are both in the 3rd tone, it's a bit weird and awkward when you pronounce them both in the 3rd tone. I will show you how to read them. 你好. See, it's a bit weird. So in this case, we will read the first 3rd tone in 2nd tone. So 你好 will be read as 你好, 你好. Same, 水饺, which means dumplings in Chinese, will also be read as 水饺, 水饺. We will change the first 3rd tone to 2nd tone. Rule number 2. When 3 3rd tone syllables appear together, both the 1st and 2nd syllables will change to the 2nd tone. Now you can see the 3 examples on the screen. All of them are in the 3rd tone. Will you read them like 展览馆举起手点好火 No, it's wrong. So let's change the first 2 syllables to the 2nd tone and read it one more time. 展览馆 展览馆。举起手，举起手。点好火，点好火。Okay, now it's your turn. Can you try to read the following syllables by yourself? You can pause now. Okay, please listen carefully and check your answers now. 小鸟，小鸟。洗澡，洗澡。所以，所以。老板，老板。等你，等你。手表，手表。你答对了吗？ Are you correct? 山，山。男孩，男孩。玩，玩。看书，看书。人，人。问，问。门，门。书本，书本。很好，很好。心，心。爱心，爱心。纸巾，纸巾。森林，森林。云，云。晕倒，晕倒。运气，运气。运动，运动。裙子，裙子。军人，军人。颜色，颜色。眼睛，眼睛。再见，再见。天空，天空。面包，面包。玩具，玩具。船，船。图书馆，图书馆。圆圈，圆圈。公园，公园。拳头，拳头。卷笔刀，卷笔刀。问题，问题。问好，问好。问号，问号。蹲下，蹲下。轮子，轮子。That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.